Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. This is EO Queen TV. Please, as you are watching, God will bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. As you do, God will bless you in abundance. Please don't forget, help us to promote this video. So I'm here again for the campaign of Edo State. I'm here again just to tell the Edo people that they should not be deceived by anybody. They should not let anybody deceive them. Because Obaseki have turned Edo State to war. Edo State is now a war because of election. Obaseki terrorism. They have turned Edo State to a war because of election. So please, don't let anybody deceive you for this vote. Obaseki have been, he now started inviting people that will come and fight for him just to gain the election, just to win the election. Edo people, you have to clean your eyes. I'm begging all the Edo people, don't let anybody deceive you. Don't follow money. Don't follow 1,000 naira. Don't follow 2,000 naira. When you follow 2,000 naira, you are selling yourself. Because this election, Obaseki is taking it as a do or die affair. He go to Igwebe. Look at the way they were shooting gun. To the extent that one person got injured in the name of election, because he wanted to vote for him for the second chance. Please, my Edo people, this is EO Queen TV. Clean your eye, just clear am. If something dey, clean am, so that you will know the right thing to do. If you don't know what he's gaining, he cannot be fighting. How will you be fighting? Why is it that anywhere you go, so war? Anywhere you go, so war, now they create Obaseki.
That means
Anywhere you go, they must shoot gun. When Oshomole want to put you for the first time, do they kill anybody? Do they enjoy anybody? You go to our Oba Palace, there was a big problem there. God will never shoot for Oba Palace for more than 100 years. Now only your past shoot them that time. They still shoot them again. Sister Rachel, thank you very much for your watching. God bless you, Sister Rachel. You still start again with the gun. Anywhere Obaseki go for his campaign, they must shoot gun. When I said the other day that Obaseki is a liar, he's the father of all lies, he's a great liar. People were saying that he's a liar. Obaseki is not a liar. Look at these people that is going to bring light to Edo State, not to Nigeria. What if federal not fit do? Federal cannot do it. We are deceiving people. I even tell God now that Para bring it out. That Obaseki is a liar. He just want to deceive everybody. If Obaseki don't know what he's doing, Obaseki went to Lagos to go and see Oba for Lagos. He go there. Our Oba is number one Oba. Obedo is the senior. He go to Oba Palace in Lagos. He know how to kneel down. He know how to kneel down and present cola. He go to Enogi of Uromi. He know how to kneel down and bring cola out. But he go to Oba Palace in Benin, he put face scarf for head. He be like showboy. Where he go to Enoge for Uromi. You know, he remove the cap. Obaseki remove the cap. If your Obaseki don't know what he's doing. If Obaseki is not a betrayer, if Obaseki is not a traitor, he reach Enoge of Uromi. He remove the cap. He removed the cap. he kneel down for grants. They beg for vote. But he reach Oba Palace. He do like show bobo. You know, Ogwesha, the land of Edo don't even reject him. The land of Edo have already rejected him. It's not going to be the governor of Edo State. It's not what he's doing like do or that affair. It will not work for him. Even they go import all the may go where they fight, may go Israel. I don't know where they see the best people when they fight. May go import the Edo State. They will not go work for them. That mansion when that's a bank when they built for Lagos, when you want to take Edo State money built, you know go see Edo State money take finish because that is plan where that is AfriJet a project when he put for grant. When people say now they cash out for body so that may for go there go pack money, take invest on that place. You know go see our money put because if they deceive us, if they use Edo people, he cannot use us. We not say make it not chop. Your salary is okay for you. Somebody when they receive almost 90-something million according to Ashomole, is that not okay for you? It's okay for you. If the overseas American they for put you for that kind of post, if you go let you chop money like that, Obaseki, you are a dancer. You are a dancer, Obaseki. You are a 3-star. You are a 3-star, Obaseki. You go to a no girl of Uromi, you kneel down for grants. You remove your tie, you they beg for votes. You reach before you take your ticket, you reach Oba of Lagos, you kneel down for grant. But when you reach the Okotokoto, Oba of Benin will be number 1. You do show boy. Who can be your mate? Who you want to deceive? You are deceiving yourself. You are not deceiving. You are not more deceiving Edo again because Edo have wise. We have all wise. This is computer age. When be say small pikin 4 years go carry and go dey pion, you go dey pion dey go, you go dey search wetin dey. If they no want shitting again, Edo is not a state. It's not a state of freedom of speech. You have the right to talk when you are being oppressed. Nobody can oppress you again. We are in computer age. They cannot oppress us again. When we say we will do our vote, we will give our vote to them again, to them finish. We will come they suffer. Hospital, you not go see anything. The old hospital when Oshomole built, ask me where Obaseki carry and go. Ask me. Everybody don't know you for manner. Everybody don't know you for Omo. Say you dey talk like well. See Parana now you take the joke now say Obaseki is a liar. Say they deceive people, say one bring light, one bring light. Light when federal never bring. Obaseki say one bring am. Just to deceive them, just to deceive the Edo. Obaseki, with this your gun, with this your gun where you dey shoot so, if you not stop that gun, now your head, now the gun go backfire too. You don't see any man pikin because now innocent children now you want juice. You don't go see them juice for this one, Obaseki. This one when you want cause for Benin land, the land of Benin no go gree for you, Obaseki. I beg my country people, I beg my Edo people, make una shout una high, I beg. Vote for Pastor Ize Ijamu for Edo to move forward. Baba dey deny better pass o. Vote for Pastor Ize Ijamu for Edo to move forward o. See how they kill children. See how they kill youth. Una like that. Edo must move forward o. We are not going back again o. You cannot draw us to back again. You cannot draw us to Egypt again o. You cannot draw us to PDP o. Make una shout una eyes o say na only 4 years o. When did they fight for so? That 4 years he wants sell una right to PDP o. If it don't happen, una go know say Godfather plenty wey dey in back. Person wey say no one serve God, go dey serve Esu, go dey serve devil. He say no one serve God, he go dey serve devil. You understand me so? PDP God will just know say PDP I'm going to write about. Obaseki wan come drop PDP again to Edo State. No way for you, Obaseki. And my Edo people, as you are watching this video, God will bless you. As you watch, please share this video for me. As you watch, share this video. Watch and share. As you do, God will bless you. Subscribe. Obaseki is a war, and he wants to create one for Edo State. You don't give me that chance to do that rubbish. Obaseki, pack your load and leave Edo State. Go to Lagos where you are coming from. Just remain some days for you to pack. You are not going to that place again. Edo people, make una shine una eyes. Ijamu is the answer. Baba dey na better person. Person wey know the value of children. Person wey get pikin. Person wey get pikin, I know the value of pikin. Person wey no get pikin, no know the value of pikin. No, you no go know as e be. Obaseki don first use una. E dey governor. If work dey come, you go import people come make dem come work am. Na that person be una governor. E dey governor, na dey no say una no go school. One put am duty, no say una is not say una no go school. Make una look all the hospitals. That's why if they close school, they go. Everything is evidence, is proven. Edo people, clear your eye, please. He said this election is a war. He said it's a war. Even they even draw and come myself. He said they even draw and say rats. They go even use rat to fight. They go even use rat to fight. As you are watching, God will bless you. Please watch and share this video for me. And subscribe, please. My people. Mr. Rachel, God bless you for me. Watch and subscribe. Because it's the truth. You can see that all what I've been saying, people are not sharing it out that is true. If what I see is what I will talk, I cannot lie. Because I want the betterness of Edo people. I want Edo to move forward, not backwards. They cannot be using us again. We are not tools that they will use. Enough is enough. You reach Yoruba land, you bed down, you need down, you dey roll for ground for above Yoruba. You reach Uromi land, you want to take it. Uromi and Edo, you want join their head together, make they fight. You reach Uromi, you know how to kneel down. You remove your car, you kneel down, you give am collar. But when you reach Oba of Benin Palace, you question at the spirit of the land, now even reject you, now make you forget say you carry collar. It's not surprising. Obaseki, it's not surprising. Compared to the money that entered your hand in Edo State, I did not see anything you did in Edo State. It's only a fool that will say Obaseki did something. It's only a fool that will say Obaseki do something. People that are advised, they will know that Obaseki did not do anything in Edo State. We have simple agenda. Edo must move forward. Subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Share this video. Edo must move forward. We are no more going back to Egypt. Go see hospitals. Go see them. Our first lady is a professor. Na dentist. Na if they do, you go school well. If we know how to organize the hospital for us so that we will not suffer again. So that if you go hospital, you go no say you go hospital. They not go care about money. Now your welfare they go care about. How they do for Ogbodo Ibo. You go hospital for Ogbodo Ibo, they not go care about money first. Now your ex, now they go care about. Make una vote Ize Yamu. Make una vote APC for Edo to move forward for us. Please, I'm begging you people, Edo people. Not this one that is a dance car. This canny man. Now una go dey call una governor. It's a mistake that he was there for that past 4 years. It's just a mistake. It's just a mistake that he was there for that four past. It's just a mistake, and that mistake will not take his place again. If we have Edo have made that mistake, Oshomole made that mistake for bringing in, he have apologized to the Edo people, so the mistake will not take place again. One woman come out for video. He say, Obaseki, Oshomole take my spoil his Ijamu. He take my spoil his Ijamu. Ijamu is a Christian. He's a man of God. Okay, as he take my spoil and one man go carry go dey shoot at that time. It can never happen. If really is a real man of God, he can not only person will be say you don't believe in God. Now go feel say okay, as he just insult me, I carry gun, I go dey shoot am. He's a man of God. He's a true man of God. He cannot go and fight. And today now, person when he talk say person not good. Now he come to take him out talk say this person too good. Una go not say na lie now because you know first time before they talk and I say na lie for years. The woman they talk say he take man spoil you. He take man spoil you. Okay, make it carry gun, make it shoot am. He take man spoil, he take man spoil am. Omo no ri yen na to. Obo no gbe on do rain. Now he when the package and I see come reveal and say see the reason I was doing it that time. I baffle now. Now not believe. I lie for your head. I say come take my mouth talk for public say that bed I lie for your head though. It's not a credit to you. It's a credit to Pastor Isaiah Iyamu. It's a big credit to him. When I dey grow for village, if person lie for person here, you say may go ring bell, may go fear go. The person will go dey fear go say na lie be lie for here though. I don't lie again no gbogo. I don't lie again no. You go dey ring bell dey go. You go dey ring bell dey go. It's not the same thing that happen so. It's not the same thing that happen. It's not the same thing that happen. You go dey ring bell dey go. Na lie for the person here though. Na lie for the person here though. I beg I don't lie again. Not be saying someone let do so. He lie for Pastor Isaiah Iyamu words. He can't just say no lie again. Say I lie. I beg my country people, my Edo people, make una shine una eyes. We want Edo to move forward. Now God send, now Pastor Isaiah Iyamu be. Now God send and come. Because the born for Edo, you know the suffer. You know what it's been to be poor person. You know what it's been when person not see food chop, when person not fit take one food for take only one meal for one day. So you go see if it satisfy us. Make one not lose it because my people they oversee. Without oversee, person not go chop for Nigeria, you not go chop for Edo State. No, just they lose it, person dey for oversee. The people dey for oversee, they all dey rest. Go and get money for Edo State. One idiot will just they pay the money, they use the money. You go, if you don't send money to your parents, they not go chop. Is that a good life? Edo people, shine your eye. Shine your eyes, oh. Shine your eye, please. As you watch, subscribe and share. God will bless as you are watching me. You will never lack in Jesus' name. Long life and prosperity will be your portion. Anything you lay your hand will prosper for you in Jesus' name. Please subscribe and share this video. Yokwit TV. I'm just here for the truth. We want progress for Edo. If he say Obaseki is sure of what he's doing, how you go carry gun now? Anywhere you go campaign, you go dey shoot gun. Anywhere you go campaign, you go dey shoot gun. Anywhere you go campaign, they go dey shoot. Is what you do or that affair? Who you want kill because your pikin not dead here? Do you want kill because your pikin not dead here? Don't they create war they go? Obaseki is a dance car. Edo people, vote Isaiah Iyamu. APC is the answer. We want Edo to move forward for us. We don't want step back again. We don't want that. Now oversee good. Now make everybody they run, they come oversee. You go there oversee. You go get if you dey sick, whether you get money, you not get money, they go treat you. Whether you not pay, they are after your ex. They are after your life. They are not after your money. But go to Edo State because of our bad governor. So we want change. That is the reason you have to shine your eye. That is the reason now. That is the reason. You have to know the right thing to do before it gets late. On the 19th is the D-Day. On the 19th is the D-Day, 19th September. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't fear any face. If Obaseki do, I go say it do. I'm not against it. Not be saying me with a dog quarrel before. If me, I know if you see me, self, you not go even know me. But waiting at they see. Now make me the talk. Not be say I hate her, but I want good for Edo. Now make me say make it pack it in, make they go Lagos when they come from. When they for important come Edo State. May still go back to that Lagos. We not want time again. We not want fight again. Not be fight, we go take to this one. Person when market born. No, the reason no. No, the reason Edo people. Oh my God. If not the reason. All this money now when they share. Because when we take tickets, no one say go cover am. No one say go cover those money. Okay, now this you can't get time for una. If not believe that no go hear. Or this you can't get time for una. Now pack your thing and go. 4 years when you remain. Now pack your thing and go if I don't know. For that reason, somebody who is coming out for fresh one. Fresh. Now give her a chance. May take rule us. So that there will be change in Edo State. Vote Pastor Ize Iyamu. Vote APC for Edo to move forward for us. We are not going back to Egypt again. We are going to Jerusalem. Person will not get regard for our Benin Kingdom. If you get regard for another place when you go, another palace when you go, you not get regard for our own. Now we go reverend Edo people. Because of money when you go chop tomorrow you go finish. I beg, as you do, God will bless you. What as you are watching me, share this video for me. We are not going back again. Edo must move forward. Obaseki, we don't need you again. Pack your thing and go to Lagos. It's Lagos you came from. Pack your thing and go there. That seat is not for you. You are just creating a war. You say evil rats will carry gun. Not be me talk am. Now wetin you talk. He say evil rat will carry gun and fight Ize Iyamu. For what grant? You say rat go carry gun. You use idiomatic expression. Take talk and say rat go carry gun. Automatically you are referring to human being. I go show am that rat will carry gun and fight somebody. Automatically you refer to human being. That human being is going to carry gun. Obaseki, you cannot create a war in Edo State. That means the human being is going to carry gun and fight Obaseki. Obaseki, you are not going there. And fight Ize Iyamu. You say rat go carry gun. Who be rat? Now be human being, boys. Obaseki, pack your load and go. We don't need you in that place again. My Edo people, una well done. As now they watch me, God will bless me. As now they watch this video, I bet make una help me they share am. Iyo Queen TV. We are for freedom because suffer too much. We don't want again. We don't want to suffer again. Youth not get work for Edo State. Simple agenda. It will relocate all the youths. Thank you, my brother. Simple and Jeddah. It will relocate all the youths. Those who don't have job, it will give you job. Widow, it will relocate you. Single mother, it will feed you. Students, no more pay school fees. He said it in this rally in the Gobazowa. Not be me talking. He talk am for Iran. He dey in simple agenda. He dey in simple agenda for Igbobazo. When he talk am for Igbobazo, wa say school free education, free education. He said it. As you are watching, share. As you do, God Almighty will bless you. Obaseki is a dancer. Obaseki is a liar. All what I call Obaseki deserves it. God will bless you for today for me. Shine your eyes, Edo people. Share this video for me. As you do, God will bless you. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. I will bring them to cameras. Yes. He said go use rat fight. I will bring it to camera. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. Thank you for today. Obaseki is a war. God bless you.